Now, while many of you have been asking for some cold weather for the longest and some rain here and there because of the drought that's been most in the state, both weather conditions has made the roofing business slippery. But have you checked your roof? Take a look to see why. While many are working to warm their homes up, roofers are having to adjust to slippery weather conditions.
So the more water, like a day like today where it rains for 10 hours, it's going to find a way in.
In recent months, the Lone Star State saw some much-needed rain and then some in north parts of Texas. But if you're in the roofing business, it's a slippery slope trying to repair them, especially when it looks like this outside. As it slowed business down, appraiser Jay Paul at United Roofing in Bryan says,
"You can't do the repairs when it's raining. It has to be dry to do the repairs." So you're right. We would like it to rain and then stop for a while. The appraisers go out and try to inspect the issues or evaluate the roof to be replaced or repaired.
Paul says the downpour of rain the Brazos Valley got Monday afternoon brought on leaks for some. That's when United comes into play.
So we get a lot of calls. People wanting us to come out and take a look. And we do free inspections because we've been here for 44 years and people know us. It reveals things that people need to take care of in their roof, and we're happy to help them with that.
Such as leaks, cracked shingles, or a spot on the ceiling, which is often when it's too late, he says, when storms hit. Yet proactiveness is the key in keeping your roof secured in all weather.
On a day like today, it's a good idea to get in the attic and just look around. If you see a drip, you got a problem. And today would be a day to see a drip if you've got one coming.
And as you know, the Brazos Valley has had its fair share of withstanding extreme weather conditions, from snow to rain to heat, but a roof's upkeep plays a role in whether it can withstand it. And you can visit United Roofing for a free inspection on the website listed on your screen.